Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. It's Saturday, it's day 12 of our quarantine gardeners.
It's hard to believe we've been doing this for 12 days
already.
already.
Yeah, it seems like it's just gone by so fast. So today, on day 12, we wanted to give you an update in our greenhouse of our seeds. So here we are.
Oh, and we got a really fun package because I'm sorry to Sean, I keep ordering seeds. So we placed another order with Floret Farms, Floret Flowers. So we're going to open that for you. We haven't looked at it yet.
Yep, doing an opening today.
Opening.
And you guys get to be a part of it.
Yay.
Woohoo! So here we go. So here we go, everybody. We got some of our seeds coming up, as you can see here, and it's looking pretty good. The first seeds you see right there are spinach, the first 3 rows, and then our lettuce starts. And you can see it goes all the way to the end there of that flat. And then we're going over the next ones.
We don't have any onions up yet. They haven't germinated yet, but those should be popping up soon. The radishes were the first things to pop up.
Oh, man.
If you've ever grown radishes before, you know they germinate really fast.
Yeah.
And they're always so fun to see because they have this nice red stem. I love looking at those.
Yep, we've got a lot of them.
Carrots here, those haven't germinated yet. Turnips, those came up pretty fast.
They did, just pretty close to the radishes.
Yeah, a few,
same time
really
as
like within less than a week,
yeah,
I believe, and those
really
have already germinated.
And then some Swiss chard, and they're starting to pop up here and there. We're hoping we see a couple more there.
Those are always so beautiful. And nothing is coming up yet.
And that's basil, we got dill, we got cilantro, yeah, oregano. Yep, all of our herbs haven't popped up yet, but we're keeping everything nice and wet and just keeping our eyes peeled. Hopefully in a couple more days.
We still have kind of a blank slate over here too. We have our loofah really hasn't been that worn yet.
No, it hasn't.
So we're a little concerned about our loofah.
Well, and we had to treat them too. Each seed we had to scarify or cut into to expose the inner part of the seed, because what they call the seed integument, or just the seed itself, the outside of it, it was really hard. If you don't soak them beforehand, then you have to scarify the seeds, and that's what we did, and we're not seeing anything yet.
And explain, what is scarify? What did you do?
Oh, sorry, yeah. Scarify is, I took a file. You can either take a knife or a file, and you just basically file into the seed itself on its side, and you expose the inner meat or the inner portion of the seed itself.
We have some loofah seeds left, so maybe we'll show that.
Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of them. So yeah, it'd be fun to show everybody.
Yeah, we should totally.
We'll do a demo.
And then these are the most recent plantings. Well, maybe not the most recent, but these are blue grama grasses here. I'm going backwards here. Delphinium and then sweet peas. And none of those have popped up.
Not yet. Okay.
We have our borage in the peat pots.
Borage.
If you watched our other video, you heard us talk about how those are really sensitive and don't like to be disturbed. So peat pots go right in the ground.
Yep, they go right in the ground. So
they're kind of cool.
It'd be fun. And borage is just fun to say. Borage.
Plus they're beautiful.
They're beautiful. And it's fun to say. Okay, moving on here. We got some crocosmia, which we actually harvested the seed from. Our old crocosmia a couple years ago, and this is the leftover seed. So we're just trying it out, and it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
So we'll see what we get.
Yeah, it may or may not germinate. We don't know.
Then next up, cosmos.
Super exciting. Our first 2 cosmos. And one coming up right there.
Yay!
Yay! So
and then
we're going seashells blend, candy stripe. Those haven't come in yet.
Oh, that's more.
What's down here? Oh, calendula.
Calendula.
That was a floret seed.
Fun stuff. Yep. You'll be able to go to floretflower.com, and they have a whole bunch of awesome seeds there. And so this year, Allison's got us a whole bunch of seeds from there, and we're just excited to try them out and support our local company.
Yeah, they're just north of us. Yep. But also, just beware, because they are out of a lot of stock. Basically, right now, they're so popular that they're announcing a seed, and they're sold out within hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was that
they're
fast.
Out of pretty much all of their bulbs.
Oh, okay.
So,
beware.
Beware.
Next flat, globe amaranth.
Yeah, I've never grown these before. We're very excited to get these up.
Pretty cool.
If you heard me talk, you know I love coneflowers, and we're growing a mess. I want to grow more coneflowers than this. But we started with purple,
awesome. Look at all
and
that.
then white and white over here.
Oh, and then some more over here. Okay, cool, cool. And that's it for everything that we've planted so far. But
yeah, we had to actually buy more seed trays from our local nursery. We bought 10 more. We haven't planted the rest of these yet, but we know we need more. We ran out of room. We're also waiting on some more cells for planting, and these are coming from Amazon because our nursery didn't have them in stock. but Amazon did. So they're supposed to be here next week, hopefully.
Yeah, coming soon.
This is our, these were the starts that we bought. If you saw our earlier video, you probably remember. So we've got some lettuces, different kinds, and then cauliflower and broccoli.
Wow,
so those are doing
really looking good.
Really doing good.
Cool.
And the exciting new things. Okay.
Exciting.
So,
drum roll.
Botanical interests. We're growing. We've never grown these before, but they're just mustard greens. And we tried some when we were in Hawaii in February, and they were amazing.
Oh, so good.
So delicious. They're kind of spicy. Different varieties are milder, but yeah. So, and okay, Floret. This is super cute. Their packaging comes like this, and it says "Yay!" They get you excited before you even open it. So I'm wearing gloves just to be safe, coronavirus and all.
Yep.
So I did kind of pop this open. We have not looked inside yet.
Nope.
So
okay, here we go.
I don't even remember. We ordered 5 seed packs, I think. Fun stuff out.
Yay!
Oh,
look what we got. Okay.
So we got 2 different kinds of amaranth.
Sweet.
Which we thought would be really fun to grow. We're growing amaranth hot biscuits, which is, I guess, kind of a goldish, brownish color.
Papio.
And these are like a burgundy. This was super fun. Celosia.
Fun. Yes. Oh, and it looks like it's the fan type of flower too. It's not the spike. So those are fun.
These
those
are going to be awesome. And I believe these get about 3 feet high, I think. So China Aster, Lady Coral.
Lady Coral.
So these are going to be gorgeous.
Ooh, beautiful.
More cosmos this year. These are white. It's a white cosmo. Cupcake white, they call it.
Wow.
So those are going to be beautiful.
Oh, we love cosmos.
We do. We're growing a lot of them this year.
Beautiful.
Yay. Lots of new things to plant.
Good stuff. Okay, everybody. Well, that's all we got today. So wanted to show you all that. Hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed that.
We're always excited to open new seed packs, and I promise I'm not buying any more. I know it's been ridiculous. I keep ordering them. We're excited to get those in the ground, and thank you for coming on a quick tour of an update of our greenhouse.
Yeah, thanks for being here, guys. This is fun.
Comment below and tell us if you're growing anything from seed and what you're growing, because we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, we would. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Let us know that we're doing a good job. And hit that subscribe button so you get our updated videos and anything new that's going on. And remember, everybody, we're in this together. We're going to get through this. Stay busy, stay happy. Just know that it's going to be okay.
And for now, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.